Bili akong motor.
Yung isang way.
Tatlo.
Another way is by minting yung gas fees. So,
Saka sa tenga?
same thing.
Maano yung tenga mo?
Punta ka sa isang website.
Baka yung altitude
Algae
kasi.
Foundation, Raribol.
Why you cry? Aga-aga naman. Gusto niya kasi hold hands. Hold hands. Hello.
Joke lang.
Here.
Pinaka-entrance po sa loob ng souvenir shop, then kakanan lang kayo.
Okay.
Check your picture na lang po.
Dito lang.
Ito po naman. Ako natin.
Hindi na tinitingnan. Ay, look, turtle, oh. Turtle. Kevin, what's that?
Say hi, Kevin.
Hi, turtle.
Oh, let's go.
Hello. Meron pa ata doon, love, eh.
Okay. Rabbit yun, ha? Ano din, ha?
Shoelace mo, love. Kevin, look, oh.
Oo.
This one, oh.
Ito
Kevin,
yung
oh.
rabbit, oh, sa kabila.
The other side, oh.
Hi, rabbit. Dali.
Say hi to the rabbit, oh. Hi, rabbit.
You're so delicious, rabbit.
Sitas mo, love.
Kevin.
Kevin here, oh. Look, oh.
Kevin here.
Hi.
Ian, don't touch it.
Hi, rabbit. Say hi to the rabbit. Let's go back to...
Ah, may tubig dito, mami.
Oo.
Okay.
Meron pa dito?
Hippo. I mean, where's the pig?
Kamusta? Pagod-pagura na ba?
Ha? Pagod.
Wala
What's that? Oo. Ang daya mo, Kevin. Dapat naglalakad ka.
Ingat kayo ha. Oy, wag mo i-extend yung kamay ha.
Musang yan.
Hi! Animal! Hi,
Kevin, oh.
animal!
Natatakot.
Let's go.
Natakot si Kevin. Hi. Say hi, Kevin. Animal. Oh, let's go. Cat.
Cat ba yan?
Is that a cat, Kevin?
What's that?
Bye. This is a very cat. That's a cat. Sabi ni Kevin.
Oh,
Cat.
cat. Hey, Kevin, oh, what's that? Oh, laughing deer. Hi, oh, donkey.
Kevin, a horse.
Oh,
Look, Kevin.
you know.
There.
You know, say hi to the
White
donkey.
horse. Hi.
Hi, donkey. Oh, let's go back
Oh,
there.
let's go.
Ang init.
Mas malaki to kaysa doon sa ano,
Oo.
Rizal. Nice. Oh, where's the duck? Ay, there's the duck, Kevin. Hi, duck. Sige yan, pwede mo lapitan. Hi, duck. Say, what's up, duck?
Cock.
Hi, peacock. Oh, dali. Oh, you go. Hi, hi, peacock. Oh, say hi, peacock, Kevin.
Sedi, doon kayo, Sedi.
Hi, spider.
Spider.
Say hi, Kevin.
Iguana.
Search natin yung spot, yung ano, may snake. Hello, lizard. Hi, lizard.
Natatakot ata si Biboy. Natatakot si Kevin. Walang venom yun, no?
Ang venomous pang python natin.
Okay.
How about you, ma'am? Join us, ma'am.
Oh yeah, sige, wait lang.
Ang kukuha. Sige, ma'am. Pabanyo na, ma'am.
Did you know that they are one of the top 10 most intelligent animals in the world? Now let's see some demonstration. Okay, so first, that is the sea. Okay, and there goes the laying down. Come on, Harry. Alright, so how about turn around, Harry? Come on, turn around. Come on, Harry, we're waiting for you. Turn around. Come on, Harry, you can do it. Okay, so one more time, Harry. Turn around. Harry, turn around. Come on, Harry, they're waiting for you. Okay,
Gagi baka manipa yun.
Hindi, nandito kami sa gilid eh.
Oh, ayaw.
Pakak ka naman. Huh? What's that? That's a cow. Hi, cow. Ano sabi ng cow? Hmm? Moo. Oh, say moo. Oh, let's go, Kevin. Wait. Lion doon.
Ako ya.
Wow.
Lola! Hoy, balik kayo dito. Bakit? Balik kayo dito. Lola!
So, kasawa kay Biboy na ba?
Hi, Tiger. Ay, Tiger, Kevin. Hi. Hi, Tiger. Ang init. Ayaw na magtrabaho mo. Nangingitan siya eh. Napakuluan natin.
Hi! Sa One. Kevin! Kevin! Hello! Ikaw! Kevin! Huh? Sleepy na? Sleepy? Oop! Oop! What's that? What's that? What's that? What's that, B-boy? Ito na yung mga sinigang ko. Sinigang experience. Mainit.
Relax.
Pinatay naman na yung apoy. Kaya hindi nakukulo yan.
Yung siya na lang ni Kevin ang kukulo.
Ay, nahanto kasi, babe. Blow mo yan, blow, Kevin. Blow.
Mahal na. May space pa dito, mami. Pwede pa.
Ano yung sa Hansel and Gretel? Lulot.
Magpa-picture ka dito. Kunin mo yung stand.
Ana, okay.
Paano ang angry? Kevin? Angry.
All done na? Oh, all done na lang. Kunin mo na.
Inaano ko lang. Katotohanan ito. Turn right. Ang big time to, mami, oh. Swiss Hotel.
Happy yun.